I'm a land survey specialist with ISG. I've been doing it for about 4 years, but I've been with ISG for 1. You know, ISG will have your back and make sure, you're paid well, you have good benefits, you're happy where you work. They really just enable you to go and pursue what you want to do. They give you a lot of opportunities to advance your career and learn and get better. And, they're pretty supportive about, letting you do it on your own and letting you really make the career you want here. Being an ESOP, we look after each other. We're a lot more understanding to what might be a difficulty in the field or what you might encounter. We have a lot of people higher up that have been in my position and really do understand what I'm going through and don't want to make me do stuff that is unreasonable. And that's something you don't see at a lot of surveying companies. I have a lot of support from my superiors actually. Like I have my LS I talk to every day, and we make sure we're on the same page when I get into work and before I leave. And then I have a crew support from Mankato that's like my drafters and who will pull points and talk to contractors for me. And that's really, even if there's a conflict between contractors and stuff, they step in, so it's not really my problem anymore. I think a big thing about ISG is being self-motivated, but they will give you the tools and resources to get what you want done.